Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best tie-dye ink is probably one of the most vibrant and creative ways to express yourself through fashion and art. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of tie-dye, exploring the best inks on the market, and showing you how to achieve stunning, professional-looking results right at home. Whether you're a seasoned tie-dye enthusiast or a complete beginner, get ready to unleash your inner artist and transform ordinary fabrics into extraordinary masterpieces. Number 5. Tulip Tie-Dye Party Kit, 123-piece set. Introducing the Tulip Tie-Dye Party Kit. This kit makes tie-dyeing super easy. You just add water to the bottles to activate the dyes. Forget about pre-soaking your fabrics. With this kit, there's no need to use soda ash. It's ready to go right out of the box. Want to learn different tie-dye styles? The included guide shows you how to create over 8 unique looks. It's perfect for beginners. For the best results, use natural fiber fabrics like cotton, rayon, or wool. The dyes will adhere beautifully to these materials. Remember to only mix the dye when you're ready to use it. Apply it within 24 hours for the most vibrant colors. Otherwise, the color intensity may be weaker. Please note that the colors in the kit are assorted and may vary. Each kit is packed with a variety of fun, vibrant colors. This kit includes a reusable storage bin packed with enough supplies. You can create up to 36 tie-dye projects with this kit. What we like? This kit is incredibly easy to use, just add water to activate the dyes. It also comes with a step-by-step guide, making it perfect for beginners. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that's great for group activities and offers a variety of tie-dye looks, you should consider this. What people say. The box includes gloves, a tarp, rubber bands, and numerous colors. The colors were bright and vibrant, and the set itself was super easy to use. The vibrant colors remain vivid even after multiple washes, which speaks volumes about the durability of the dye. Number 4. S.E.I Classic Tie-Dye Spray Kit, 8 colors. This tie-dye kit is pre-mixed and ready to go. You don't need to worry about mixing with any extra chemicals. Just shake it up and start spraying. It's easier to use and less messy than traditional tie-dye methods. The spray is water-based and non-toxic, making cleanup a breeze. The kit includes 8 colors: magenta, red, orange, yellow, green, turquoise, blueberry, and purple. Each bottle contains 2 ounces of dye, designed to blend perfectly. This kit can dye up to 20 shirts, depending on the tie-dye technique. The colors stay bright and vibrant, even after washing. This fabric paint spray provides hours of fun. It's great for group activities, allowing everyone to create unique designs they can enjoy for years. What we like? This kit features pre-mixed, ready-to-use spray bottles, making the application process incredibly easy and less messy. With its vibrant colors and easy cleanup, it's perfect for anyone who wants a hassle-free tie-dye experience. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to add some color to your wardrobe, you should consider this. What people say. This dye is wonderful stuff. I tie-dyed more than a dozen baby onsies and a dozen baby socks and still had lots of dye left over. The spray application is really nice and makes for less waste when compared to using a squeeze bottle and mixing up a powder. The colors were good, but several of the bottles wouldn't spray. Number 3. Tulip Rainbow Tie-Dye Kit. This kit has everything you need to create up to 30 tie-dye projects. It's perfect for solo projects or family fun. Get ready to unleash your creativity. The kit includes 5 easy squeeze bottles of highly concentrated, non-toxic one-step dyes. Just add water to activate them. These colors are sure to make your projects pop. Forget the hassle of pre-soaking fabrics. This kit simplifies the process, saving you time and effort. It's designed to make tie-dyeing easy and fun. Inside, you'll find a step-by-step technique guide with over 8 tie-dye looks. It offers inspiration and guidance for various designs. Explore different styles and create unique patterns. The dyes are safe to machine wash, and the colors stay bright and bold. You can enjoy your creations without worrying about fading. It's designed for lasting vibrancy. For the best results, use it with 100% natural fiber fabrics. Cotton, rayon, and wool are ideal choices. It ensures the dye adheres beautifully to the fabric. What we like. This kit features highly concentrated, non-toxic dyes that are safe to machine wash, ensuring your creations stay vibrant. It's also perfect for family fun, offering a great way to spend quality time together. If you like bold and bright colors that last, you should consider this. What people say. For a one-step dye, these worked amazingly well. The colors held fast and were quite vibrant. The bottles are sturdy enough, even for little kids who were, over-enthusiastic about squeezing them. Number 2. HTVRONT Tie Dye Kit, 32 colors. This kit comes with 32 vibrant colors in pre-filled bottles, making it easy to start your tie-dye project. It includes everything you need, perfect for both kids and adults to create unique and colorful items. Each bottle contains 60 milliliters of dye, and all the tools you need are included. Just add water, shake, and you're ready to go. For the best results, use natural fabrics like cotton or silk. The colors are bright and permanent, designed to withstand regular machine washes. Your tie-dye creations will stay bold and vibrant, wash after wash. Remember to wash the items separately for the first time. The kit uses non-toxic materials and has passed multiple tests, ensuring safety for kids. It's pre-filled to avoid any mess, and the bottles have water-level markers for easy use. Adult supervision is recommended for children under 6. This tie-dye kit is ideal for summer camps, parties, and school activities. Use it to personalize t-shirts, socks, and more. Let your imagination run wild and create unique designs. What we like. This kit comes with 32 vibrant colors and is incredibly easy to use, just add water. It's also non-toxic and safe, making it perfect for kids and adults alike. If you have a large group or are planning a party, you should consider this. What people say. The colors are vibrant and don't fade after washing. The ink is easy to use and produces great results. The kit includes everything you need to get started. Number 1. Mojidecor 32 Color Tie Dye Kit. This all-in-one kit has everything you need to create vibrant, colorful designs. It's perfect for both kids and adults, making it a fun activity for parties or individual projects. It's easy to use and provides long-lasting results. The kit includes 32 bags of dye, bottles, rubber bands, gloves, and more. This provides enough supplies to complete up to 80 projects. With so many colors, you can create unique and personalized designs. You don't need to pre-soak fabrics or use soda ash. Just add water to the bottles, shake, and start dyeing. It's a simple process, making it accessible for everyone to enjoy. The dyes are made from environmentally friendly materials, ensuring a safe experience for all ages. It's odorless and non-toxic, allowing you to enjoy the fun of DIY dyeing in a safe environment. This kit works great on t-shirts, hoodies, and other fabrics. You can create unique patterns on various items, making it ideal for personalized gifts or group activities. It's a versatile kit for all your tie-dye needs. After dyeing, seal the items in an airtight bag for 24 hours. Wash the finished product separately for the first wash. The colors will appear lighter after washing, ensuring your designs stay bright. What we like. This kit offers an impressive 32 color options, allowing for endless creativity. It's also easy to use and safe for all ages. If you are looking for a kit with a wide variety of colors and a safe, enjoyable experience, you should consider this. What people say. The colors are vibrant and don't fade after washing. The ink is easy to use and produces great results on various fabrics. The tie-dye kit includes everything needed to get started. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.